JavaScript tutorials. In JavaScript, we have three variables: constant, let, var. Constant is we use when we don't want to change the variable value. So that time we use constant. Let and var is mostly same, but there are some minor differences. Um, Redeclare means variable a equal to 4, variable a equal to string. So we can redeclare means we can redeclare for the same variable. Reassign means we can reassign for the variable, but we don't give that variable or let. This is reassign. Here in let allows reassign but will not allow redeclare. When we try to redeclare for let, it will throws error, but where key allows both redeclare and reassign. That is the main difference. Next, if else condition. So we give like this: if condition, if flag equal 0, console.log. Console.log is for printing the text in the console. While loop, first we initialize the value let I equal to 1, and then while condition, inside we give the script. It will execute until the condition satisfies. It stops execution once the condition stopped satisfying. Inside we need to give incremental. Do while, there is only one difference in a do while and while. Do while, it will execute at least once even if the condition satisfies or not. Initialization will be starting do. In that we give j++ while condition j less than 20, j less than 10. So it will execute once. If condition is satisfied, it will continue to execute, otherwise it will stop execution. For loop, it will execute n number of times until the loop completes. For k equal to 5, k less than 15, so it will execute until k is less than 15. K++. In one line we write initialization, condition and increment. Arrays. Arrays is used to store n number of values in same data type. So here in JavaScript we don't have int, string, separate data types. For all values we just assign where or let. It will take as per the value we assign. If you want to see what the data type is, that we give type of that variable name, so it will show is that a string or int. One way of assigning array is let marks equal to array of 6, and then marks of 0 equal to 45. We initialize the values. Second way of initialization is var marks equal to new array of. Inside we give the values. Third way is a simple way where marks equal to just we initialize the values. So in this ways we can initialize we can use arrays. To change the value, marks 1 of 3 equal to 54. When you want to change the value, we can go and change it. To add additional value, marks dot push of 53. It will add at end. To see the length, console.log marks dot length. To remove value, marks dot pop 53. And then when you want to add in the beginning of the array, for that you need to give dot and shift what value you want to give in the array. Marks dot and shift 52. To check the value in which place stored, for that we can give marks dot index of that value 52. If it is in the second place, third place, it will show the 2 or 3. When you want to print complete array, we just give marks, that name of the array. To take subarray, when you want to split the array into 2, for that we use marks dot slice of 2 comma 5, so it will take from the second index to fifth index. And then subarray of subarray, that subarray, to print subarray we give subarray dot slice of 2. Again you want to split in the subarray, we can split with single also, single index. Whether the value is present in the array or not, for that marks dot includes we use to sum all the values in list. Okay, for that we can do like this: sum equal to 0 for loop. Inside sum equal sum plus marks of I, so it will add each value and give the entire sum. We have 3 powerful functions: reduce, filter, map. These are very important when doing our scripting. It will reduce the complexity and it will show neat and simple script. We did adding all the values in array, right? Using reduce we can do in the single line. Let total equal to marks. Marks is the array dot reduce. Inside 2 variables we give sum comma total marks. Total marks, it will take each value from the array, and sum is a 0 value here. This symbol equal fat symbol, this one, whatever we do operation here, sum plus total marks comma 0 means sum equal to 0, sum plus total marks, so it will add each value with the 0, and then that value stores in sum. So this is the way to add the values. This is the way we do all the operations in array using the reduce. So total marks, each value it will take. Sum is the initialization part. When you want to multiply with the sum, there is another example: multiply with the 2 all values, we can do like this: sum 1 equal total list, sum 1 total list into 2. So it will multiply with the 2 and add all the sum and give the count, all count. To print only even numbers in array, so we need to take the filter, right? So only some part you want to take, right? For that we use filter. Marks dot filter even list, fat symbol, even list percentage 2 equal 0. This is normal variable. We define normal one variable, so it will take each one and check in the each value in the way in the array, and check whether it is satisfy the condition or not. If it is satisfied, it will go and store into the new filter even list. This is another way to do also. So dot length we check for loop, if percentage equal to 0, so it will come in. If that value condition satisfies, it we do push operation, so it will store in the different new variable. Map also same like filter. When you want to do some operations for all elements in variable, we give like this: marks dot map marks 1 into 3, so it will give do multiplication for all the variables. These all operations, when you want to do everything in one line, we can do in this way. First filter whether the all values, whatever the values are satisfying the condition, like we take all the even values, and then for those even values multiply with the 3. Map of multiply with the 3, those will store in the score, and then we do some operation dot reduce sum comma value equal to, so for those values we are adding, so we can do all operations in single line also. Filter dot map dot reduce. How to make sort array? When you want to say this is array like this, when you want to do sort, that array dot sort, it will take the sorted values. How to do for numbers? For numbers, sort numbers dot sort, it will work, but sometimes it will not work based on the size of the element. If it is 003, it will take the it will store at the end, so that time sort will not properly happen. So for that we have to give some function inside the sorting. So this is the array sort number dot sort function a comma b. Inside we give return a minus b. So it check whether the condition satisfies. It should be, if it is a minus b less, then it will store in the starting. Otherwise we can give like this also, in simple way. Sort number dot sort a comma b, that fat symbol a minus b. Reverse sort, for reverse sort, when you want to do reverse sort, so for that also we can give like this, ampersand b minus a. Next one is function. Function is a normal function. When you want to give some piece of code and use for some other place, we create some function. Let greet equal to evening. So this is the global level variable declaration. When you use var, we can redeclare that, but when you use let, we cannot redeclare. So that will be, when you try to execute that, it will show the evening is the variable. Suppose if we don't give any function name, so that is called anonymous function. Here let sum of integers, so that is the name, that variable name, function c comma d return c plus d. So you this is the way, there is no function name for that. You can directly give the variable inside that argument 6 comma 7. It will give the count of the numbers. Another way is sum of numbers equal to c comma d ampersand c plus d. This is also one way of giving the condition directly. Next to strings, let day equal to Thursday. This is a string. To get the length, day dot length, to get to take substring, day dot slice 0 comma 4, day of 1. So it will give the first value. Through index we are giving split. When you want to split, right, split comma u, split of u. And then trim, when you want to if some spaces are there to trim, dotted trim we use. Two days are there to differentiate. Diff equal to parse int we need to use. If it is a number, we convert to int, parse int. And then convert into to string is again diff dot do to string, so it will again convert to string. Concatenation, day plus equal to, so it will concatenate. Index of day, new quote dot index of day, so it will show the index value of the day, in which place that day is placed in the string. Next, you want to check how many days are present, how many day are present in the string. While condition, while is not equal to -1, value is not equal to -1. If it is not equal to -1, it will come inside the loop and check. If it is present, value +1, and again it will start iteration, count plus. Next is object. Object is collection of properties. Property is a key value pair. So this is object. Let person equal to, so for that variable, if you want to give some set of values, key value pair, we can give. When you want to, for any value you want to give some function, so we can give full name colon function. Inside we give this dot first name plus this dot last name, so it will concatenate and give the result, the full name. When you want to declare the different value, you can give like this, person dot first name equal to Tim Dunn, so that will reinitialize. When you want to add any other value, you can just give person dot gender equal to male. It will add. To delete person dot gender, it will delete. To check whether the value is present or not, for that we give that gender, that value key, that key in person is the that object. Simple. If else, like if that value is present, is right in, for that we just give the key in person. Next is class object oriented principles. So here we create class file, class person, age equal to 25, variable declaration, variable, and then the value, get location, written Kannada. So when this is the method, and then for class we can initialize the class constructor first name comma last name. Inside this this dot first name equal to first name, this dot last name equal to last name. So it will take the same class immediate variables in the class file. Full name equal to, here is the method, we can give method inside that. To access those we need to create objects. So for properties, we cannot do any modifications. When you want to give more data for any set of data, any set of values, like here we give the first name, last name, everything, but when you want to give the different values, we create objects, right? For that purpose we use classes. Console.log age person 1 dot that class name dot age dot location. So it will give the values. Full name, it will give the values. Constructor is a method, it will execute directly when you create object of the class. So suppose you want to use the same class file in different class methods, so for that we use export. How to do export and import in import? Export, for export, module dot exports equal to class person 1. Okay, in that class person 1 is right, before that we give module dot export equal to, so it will ready to export. For import, constant, so we don't want to change the variable person 1, that class name we give here. Require, what class file you want. Require, inside we give the class name basic dot js file, basic. So in that way, this is the different class. In different class file we import. In that way we import the class and put the different class. Here, see, here we are importing the class file, no other values, and then for that we create object variables, initialize the values for that, and print the data. Inheritance is inherit the properties of other class files and methods. The class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass. The class which inherit the properties of another class is called subclass. Subclass, derived class, or child class. For that, just we give constant person equal to require that one, and then extends person 1. Extends person 1. So when you give extends person 1, it will take all the values from the person 1 class file. To override any method, we can give get location equal to, inside we can give the other text. It will directly override, no need to give that override tag. And then constructor, for this class file, we can do different class file. We can give default constructor. Inside we need to call the parent class constructor, super of first name comma last name. Initialize the values for that. New pet equal to naughty. This is super class. Export to EQ, that's it.